Hello, good people. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking. If you have not watched our previous video on our travel, kindly check it out. And on this video, we are going to share our villa tour. On this channel, we talk about finance, personal development, travel, and community service. If this is your kind of content, kindly subscribe and join the Just family. Hello guys, welcome to our villa. Let's get in. So as we get in, you can see the sitting room is over there. Okay, we have a bedroom over here. The kitchen is over here. Sorry, this is the kitchen. This is the dining area, and the back there, this is the chill out area. I think I'm booking here for the girls. This is the ocean, and then here the boys. So I'll give you a tour of the entire house. It's a very good space for the kids to play. Look at it. They are safe. It is hygienic and all that. Then you can watch them from the sitting room. That's the window. Then there's this sitting area. You can sit here. The guys, the girls on that side, the guys on this side. The girls on that side, the guys on this side. I don't know if they will say that is more cozy. Then you're overlooking the ocean. Whew, this is amazing. I love this. The fact that you'll have a breeze. So on this side we have the ocean. On that side we have the pool. That one. Okay. Then you get into the house. You can see how spacious it is. Just look at the sitting room. Even that top space there. I think they'll just play there. Then the TV is over here and some decor I like. And of course the sockets. On this side there's the sitting space. You can see it's cozy. And the coffee table. And then the stairs are over there to head upstairs. But before we do, this is the dining area. Just chill out. I like the decor. Just get close. Can see that. Keep time for dinner. I like this happening up there, the lighting. Then we head to the kitchen. Here is the fridge. It's big enough for a big family like ours. Okay. Then the kitchen is also big. I like this big kitchen space. Look at the storage, the cooker. The storage capacity is huge. Okay. I think they had a cooker there. Then maybe it's no longer working. Then there's the washing area over here. If you have to do your laundry. Okay, if you want to settle in, there's even a machine connection over there. Okay, the microwave, the dispenser. Let's now check through for the basics of the kitchen. As we all know, in most cases you'll find a house is not 100% okay. But to be very honest, this house was a disappointment. And the first thing that really disappointed me is that the photos that I received when I was shopping around for the house, and the actual, to be specific, the actual beds that I found were totally different. And to be honest, they could not even match the standards. I was shocked. But then I said, you know what? Maybe it's just the beds. But when I took a deeper tour of the house, I could see most of the things were not very well maintained. This house is really beautiful, very spacious, and in a very well marketable location. But I would say maintenance is at zero. Basic things are not working well and all that. And to be honest, I would never go back there, and I would not recommend for anyone to go there. So this is just our chronicles, but we made do with what was available. Apparently, I had even the neighbors moved in the same day and left the same day. Maybe they were also disappointed because what they were expecting was not what they got. But to be very honest, this is one of our best holidays. We had a blast despite the challenges. Actually, this cooker was not working, and the one that they have bought for use, it was not lighting up. And even when we called the caretaker, the agent, no one was coming to help us out. Like I said, you will watch the review from the different people from my family. And of course, what I like about it is that they didn't hate everything. There were some things that they liked. For me, the highlight was having the entire family together. 1, 2, having a private residence. And 3, of course, overlooking the ocean. On to the other rooms. Then this is the first bedroom. Okay, it is in suits. So, and it has a bathtub. Okay, there. Then as you walk in, there's a stool there. The wardrobe is wall to wall. And there's the mirror over there. Then the bed. Then we have this, the ottoman, and of course a stool on the other side. Yeah, and of course a fan. So this is the entryway. And when you get in, you get to the first bedroom. The kitchen is there. The stairs are here. The sitting room is there. And then we have the dining area over there. So let's head upstairs. Then there's the door here. Just lock if you want to enhance the security. The master bedroom, we start there. So there's the wardrobe. This is major. Then there's the bathroom. Of course, it has 2 sinks. Okay, I think people should be building 2 sinks even for their houses. Then we have the bathtub. Okay. Then we have all this space to chill. Then the bed is over there. Of course, there's a stool and another one on the side. And the best thing about this bedroom is that your balcony overlooks the ocean. Look at it, guys. And also on this side, it's overlooking the pool. Okay. I love, love, love. Okay. So from the master, we go to the other big bedroom. You can see the wardrobes all the way. Then the big bed. Yeah, you can see. And then the toilet is over there. The bathroom. The bathtubs are only 2, so you'll see the second one. Okay, so that's the other bedroom. So we go to the next bedroom, which is this one. This one is not en suite. Okay, you can see that. It actually also does not have a wardrobe. I don't know what. Yeah, so that's the bedroom. Maybe it was a study room before it was converted to a commercial room. Then we head to the last bedroom, which also has 2 beds. Yeah, and you can see this has a wardrobe. So I'm assuming the other bedroom was supposed to be a study room if you were to build a home. A beautiful house in the neighborhood. It's really cute. Cute, cute, cute. And I like that they have white curtains. That is very good maintenance. So the other bathtub is in this bathroom. So yeah. Okay. You can see the wardrobe is big. So if you're, I think some can use this wardrobe and the others can use this other wardrobe because of the challenge in the other room. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically our house. So we head down.